Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of each earbud, and right here at the top we have it. So make sure that you press on it or double press or something else. Now, if you know that you press the touch controls, next step I recommend it to go to the Xiaomi Earbuds application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and to the gestures. So make sure that you have features at all of these gestures. So let's say if you somehow haven't it, just select something else and then check this gesture. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and after that you need to open the case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone after you remove them from the case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!